National Electrical Code Article 230.70 A1 states conductors entering a building from a service shall be installed in a raceway or as otherwise provided in this section. The service entrance conductors, which are the wires that bring power from the utility company to the building, must be installed in a conduit or other approved raceway. This is for safety reasons, as it protects the conductors from physical damage, moisture, and other hazards. Running a generator cord through the conduit creates a potential safety hazard. If the conduit is damaged, it could expose the generator cord to physical damage or moisture. This could lead to electrical shock or fire. The installation, where the generator cord is routed through the same conduit as the service entrance conductors, does not comply with the National Electrical Code and could be cited by an electrical inspector. To correct the violation, the generator cord should be installed in its own separate conduit. The conduit should extend from the generator interlock on the main panel to the outdoor generator plug. This will ensure that the generator cord is protected and that the installation is code compliant. This is important to understand the requirements for service entrance conductors.